Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at Ubuntu Budgie 26.04 LTS, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. This is a big release for the Budgie Desktop as it marks their first full Wayland-only LTS version. After years of work, Budgie has finally completed the transition to Wayland using the labwc compositor. Ubuntu Budgie 26.04 is based on the latest Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, so you get the Linux 7.0 kernel, 5 years of support until 2029, and all the hardware and security improvements from Canonical. But the real highlight is the updated Budgie Desktop 10.10.2. Right from the live USB, the desktop looks stunning. The installation process is smooth and straightforward, just like standard Ubuntu. One of the best features is the Budgie Welcome app, which helps new users easily install drivers, themes, and recommended software with just a few clicks. The default desktop layout has been refreshed beautifully. You now get the elegant crystal dock enabled by default, a more modern top panel, and an improved application menu with a featured section. The Raven sidebar feels better integrated, especially with the Showtime widget. Overall, the desktop gives a very premium, clean, and cohesive feel, one of the most elegant-looking Ubuntu flavors available today. Now, the most important question, how good is the Wayland experience? After using it for several days, I can say it's very impressive. Screen sharing, fractional, scaling, multi-monitor support, and animations all work smoothly. Gaming performance, especially on NVIDIA cards, has also improved thanks to the newer kernel and Wayland. There are still a few small issues here and there, but overall, the transition feels mature and stable. In terms of performance, Budgie continues to be very lightweight. On my test machine, idle RAM usage stays between 1.1 to 1.3 gigabytes. The desktop feels fast and responsive, and battery life on laptops is excellent. It runs great on both older and modern hardware. Let me share the pros and cons. First, pros are extremely beautiful and modern design. Crystal Dock and Raven panel offer a fantastic workflow. Very stable for an LTS release. Beginner-friendly with excellent theming options. Strong hardware support thanks to Ubuntu base. Now cons. Some older or niche apps still have minor Wayland compatibility issues. The applet ecosystem is smaller compared to GNOME extensions or KDE widgets. Not as deeply customizable as KDE Plasma if you love tweaking everything. So, who should install Ubuntu Budgie 26.04? It's perfect for users who want something beautiful, simple, and polished without complexity. If you're coming from Windows or Mac OS and want a familiar yet powerful Linux experience, or if you're tired of GNOME and looking for something fresh, Budgie is an excellent choice. Overall, I'm giving Ubuntu Budgie 26.04 a strong 9 out of 10. It's not revolutionary, but it's confident, mature, and genuinely enjoyable to use. This is currently one of the best looking and most pleasant Ubuntu flavors you can install in 2026. If you've tried Ubuntu Budgie 26.04, let me know your experience in the comments. Would you daily drive it? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and keep exploring Linux.